Have you ever wondered if there's a hidden order beneath nature's chaos? A secret code that shapes everything from a flower's petals to the swirl of a galaxy? This is not fantasy. It's a real, observable pattern connecting all living things and even the cosmos. Nature, through countless generations, has discovered the most efficient ways to grow, survive, and thrive. These solutions aren't random. They follow a precise mathematical logic, echoing across species and scales. When you look closely, you'll find this code everywhere, in the branching of trees, the spiral of a fern, the veins of a leaf. It's the signature of a deep mathematical truth that governs our world. Understanding this code lets us see nature as an interconnected web of patterns, all singing the same mathematical song. Every pine cone, seashell, and cauliflower becomes a clue in a much larger puzzle. By learning to see this code, we're not just learning about math, we're uncovering the very essence of life. We're beginning to read the secret instructions that have shaped our planet. The first step? Learn the alphabet of this remarkable language. Let's begin the journey. The code that appears so often in nature is called the Fibonacci sequence. It starts simply 0, 1. Add the last two numbers to get the next. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and so on. The sequence grows 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and beyond. This simple progression is nature's favorite numbering system. Count the petals on many flowers. Lilies have 3, buttercups 5, marigolds 13, daisies 34 or 55, almost always Fibonacci numbers. Look at a sunflower's head. Its seeds form spirals, and if you count them in each direction, you'll find consecutive Fibonacci numbers. This isn't coincidence. It's the most efficient way to pack seeds, ensuring each has space to grow. The same spiral pattern appears in pine cones, pineapples, and cauliflowers. It's as if all these plants are following the same simple instruction manual. Start with 1, add the last 2, and arrange accordingly. The Fibonacci sequence is the invisible architect behind nature's most beautiful and efficient designs. It's a universal language spoken by flowers, fruits, and trees. Nature's efficiency, written in numbers. This pattern is everywhere, if you know how to look. But there's an even deeper secret hidden in these numbers. As Fibonacci numbers grow, dividing one by the previous approaches a special value. The golden ratio, about 1.618. This ratio, known as phi, is found in the proportions of the human body, DNA, and the shapes of living things. Spirals in nature, like a nautilus shell, often grow by the golden ratio, keeping perfect proportions as they expand. Plants use this ratio to arrange leaves for maximum sunlight, rotating each new leaf by the golden angle of about 137.5 degrees. This creates the spiral patterns we see in sunflowers and pine cones. The golden ratio isn't just efficient, it's beautiful, and humans are naturally drawn to it. It's why a seashell or a sunflower seems so perfectly designed. The golden ratio is nature's signature of elegance and efficiency. It connects the growth of a seed to the design of the cosmos. This number defines beauty in our world. The same mathematical spirals found in shells and flowers also shape galaxies. Spiral galaxies, like our Milky Way, follow logarithmic spirals, just like a nautilus shell. This isn't just a biological trick, it's a fundamental principle of physics and motion. Hurricanes, the swirl of water down a drain, even the arms of galaxies, all echo this spiral. The universe reuses successful patterns, from seeds to stars. Holding a pine cone is like holding a model of a galaxy, a reminder of our connection to the cosmos. The Fibonacci sequence links the smallest life to the largest structures in the universe. Humans have admired and used these patterns for millennia. The ancient Greeks built the Parthenon with golden ratio proportions for harmony and beauty. Leonardo da Vinci studied the human body and art, finding the golden ratio everywhere, from the Vitruvian Man to the Mona Lisa. Today, designers use these principles in logos, websites, and products, like Apple's logo, built on Fibonacci circles. We're instinctively drawn to these proportions because they echo the natural world. By using them, we tap into a universal language of beauty. Our art and design continue a conversation with nature's code. The patterns of life shape the patterns of our creativity. Why does the Fibonacci sequence appear everywhere? Is it just the most efficient solution favored by evolution and physics? Or does it hint at a deeper order, a universal law, or even a grand design. For plants, Fibonacci spirals maximize sunlight. For galaxies, spirals maintain stability. Some see this as evidence of underlying intelligence, others as the inevitable result of natural laws. Either way, the pattern is undeniable. The Fibonacci sequence bridges the living and the cosmic, the simple and the complex. It challenges us to see the world as a connected system of patterns. Its meaning is a personal journey, one that invites us to look deeper. Understanding the Fibonacci sequence changes how you see the world. Suddenly, nature becomes a gallery of mathematical wonders. Start looking, count flower petals, trace pinecone spirals, notice leaf arrangements. You'll find the code everywhere, in art, architecture, and design. Human creativity borrows from nature's playbook, using the golden ratio for harmony. By recognizing these patterns, you connect with the hidden rhythm of the universe. The Fibonacci code is nature's open secret, waiting for curious eyes. Go explore. What patterns will you discover today?